Welcome back. Time for a little moped show and tell. Well, I got some stuff in the mail today. Got the lock ring spanner tool and tightened up my headset on the qt50, and now it is nice and tight. No more loose headset. That'll make me feel a lot more at ease when going at high speed. Did I bump the camera? Got the Trail Tech regulator slash rectifier for a 12 volt system because we're going to 12 volt, but that's not so interesting. I got the miniature lamps, 12 volt instead of 6 volt for the instrument panel. So those just a little taller than the other ones, but hopefully they fit. And then finally, yeah, you've been waiting for it. Here it is. The HPI, Horsepower Ignition System, in case you didn't know what HPI stood for. And it comes in this, you guys gotta stand back a little bit. You're kind of crowding me, I can hardly get in here. I keep running into you. I know you're excited. We got the mini rotor. Looks like it's on. There it is. Look at that. Hold on a minute. Let's go get something. Here is the stock qt50 flywheel. Look at that. Huge. I would think a huge difference in weight. I guess I'd have to weigh them, but maybe twice as much weight on the left at least, or 3 times compared to this. Oh, we got a cotter pin stuck on there. Don't install this with the cotter pin stuck on the magnet, or metal shavings or filings stuck on the magnet. That's just a bad idea. Don't make that mistake, right? We've got the stator. Let's see here. Alrighty. The connections. I guess that goes over that. Just like so. We got the new CDI. Let's see here. And there's supposed to be a switch for the timing curve. You can choose between 2 different timing curves. But I'm not seeing that immediately. We got a new ignition coil, but with no spark plug boot, but not the end of the world. As a matter of fact, this really doesn't look much different than the new one I've got on, so I might just stick with what I've got. You've got the stator mounting plate. Probably goes about like this in the qt50. Connected here and here. And then we've got, careful, some hardware. What would go onto this? What would I use this hardware for? Where's me directions? We've got some accessories. Well, I've got the flywheel puller. We've got an inertia disc for adding more weight if you need a heavier flywheel because this is so light. We've got a fan blade for various Vespa engines. I wonder if this is made for the Vespa. Okay, I've got a regulator rectifier. That was the Trail Tech thing. Two-cylinder coil. And there's the curve button. You can mount it to your handlebars and just select which curve you want. Here are the curves. So that's, I'll slow down, timing on the right, and then RPMs on the bottom. So the blue curve holds the maximum advance from 35 to 5500 RPM and then retards the timing. And the red curve only holds the maximum advance from 3500 to 4000 RPM and then retards the timing. And then I think this is if you want to remove the connector in order to get it through your little slot in the stator to wire it through. And then we have installation instructions. Won't be needing that. Alright, so there's the unboxing. Let's get installing. I still... What am I mounting with this exactly? I don't know. Because, you know, is that just for the Vespa? They mentioned the Vespa fan. I don't know what's going on. You know, they just sent me some extra goodies to make me happy. I don't know, to pacify me. Maybe, you know, confuse me more. Here's the instructions if you want to stare at those a minute. Let's just unbox the Trail Tech regulator rectifier all in one unit. Oh, that's a bit of a monstrosity. That's the biggest regulator rectifier I've seen. That's what she said. Anyway, look at that beast. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's go get the qt50 regulator. Alright, I'll look one more spot. I don't want to keep you waiting. Right? Right. Here we go. Just, you know, just take a slight moment. Sorry to keep you waiting. Yeah, my God. You're a regular bully. Don't you bully me anymore. I will break you. What a beast, man. So this is just a regulator, and this is double duty. Maybe that's why it's twice as large. I don't know. Hey, let's start installing. I can't stand it anymore.